Yo. Soul's about to cook.
Yo, don't tell me
I'm kind of scared now. I don't want too many.
Scared.
I hit one too.
Intermittent payment.
I'm scared.
What the fuck?
Yo, I hit another one.
Nice. Oh, I hit.
Are these bricks?
No.
I hit another one. I'm cooking. Oh my god.
Damn, son.
I hit another one.
Holy shit.
I got payment decline, bro.
I just hit another one.
I got 3 payments decline.
Nick, I absolutely love you for waking me up.
Yo, I'm just getting payment declines, bro.
Passing splash like a boom. Oh, I'm checking out.
Someone just got me too.
Whoa, Soul's doing amazing.
He keeps flashing splash, but it won't check out.
Nick, holy shit, dude. I know, Nick, holy shit, dude. Is that all working? I got 3 already. Nick, chill the fuck out.
How many you in, Nick?
Payment failure.
Adding a cart. Build the cart. Build the cart.
What I clocked in.
Don't get too many now. I mean,
Save some for the poor people, Nick. Fuck.
Cart.
oh, I carded.
Nick,
I carded somewhere.
Nick, don't even run me, dude.
I'm not. You were on.
Told me that I'm too far gone and I knew it. I've been getting fucked up, I've been going through it. I've been screaming fuck love, guess I outgrew it. No, I ain't got no more trust, I be on my new shit for real. Told me that I'm too far gone and I knew it. I've been getting fucked up, I've been going through it. I've been screaming fuck love, guess I outgrew it. No, I ain't got no more trust, I be on my new shit for real.
You've got me saying words in my head.
Good luck, everyone. Good luck.
Just get it.
My shit isn't generating proxies. What the fuck?
I feel like I'm getting married.
Makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right.
Getting captured for $2. Checkpoint. Hurry up.
What day of the week is it? It's Saturday.
Yo, this shit's taking my long, son. My captures are just messed up right now. Oh,
Why did I go for men's 13?
yo, this is bad, bro. Oh, there we go. I'm not real bad.
Cute.
Recap check and I'm being what? Check her connection. Okay.
Selecting ship complete. What was Michael Jordan Jr. varsity jersey number?
Dude, Soul is absolutely cooking, but I'm
I have no idea, dude.
Bro, what the fuck?
I checked out.
What you got?
Let's go.
I got a
What,
toddler
NSB?
pair though.
Oh,
I got no. I checked out with Soul, but I got a toddler pair on kid.
what the fuck?
You're not running negative keywords, but
Dude, I am. Oh my god. I mean, that's still a dub though.
Bro, this Shopify is so bad.
all of hers are not a dub.
Oh god. There we go. I'm getting captured for shot nice kicks.
That's my personal size.
You better keep that shit, I'm not even lying.
I got mochas and midnight navies in my personal too. Just sitting.
Didn't get it.
Back in there, boy.
I just got the grade school and sneakers too.
Oh, damn.
Size 7.
Bro, what the fuck?
That's dope.
Wild, bro. I never get sneakers though.
No
Take
shit.
it.
That was caught.
TSP wouldn't work.
I know, it's like frozen, right?
What was Michael Jordan's junior varsity jersey number?
45.
Thank you.
Yeah, I had to submit that like 3 minutes after I asked. All the Shopify sites are out of stock, huh?
Oh
Okay,
shit, Soul checked out in East Bay, bro. Holy shit. Not for me though, like
We're not dropping today. Kids Full Lock are not dropping today. If you're running that down.
wait, Full Lock is not dropping?
Kids Foot Locker.
Oh, okay.
Yo, I hit Shopify.
Let's go,
I
Nick.
see it.
What?
I seen it. Yo, they just restocked.
You just restocked? Oh my god, right when I ended my task.
Yep, I stopped my task too. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What'd you hit? What size?
Oh, pending on sneakers.
Shop nice kicks. Size 5.
Just checked out an 11 on foot action with ACB.
Let's go.
ECB, let's go.
No way.
Local task.
Actually cooking, it looks like.
No way.
I haven't got anything though.
No way. What the?
My friends are I fucking hate this.
Evelyn sneakers.
I swear to God, I cannot let this dude get a pair. I despise this dude.
I'm still pending on sneakers. I'm not gonna get it.
Nah. They probably sold out already.
I took an on sneakers.
Shit.
Yo, Soul is actually working on foot task. That's incredible.
So I'm gonna check that one, so the ECB there.
Social status.
Why is Valor locked again? Bro, what? Okay guys, you guys stop the finish line in JD Sports task. I guess they're just
Okay, so out of stock, I said that.
they're out of stock.
Mm-hmm.
I never wrapped them. Valor did, if any. JD Sports?
I just picked up on Finish Line, so I don't know if it just went live.
Oh, it's out of stock. They already tweeted out that it's out of stock.
Bro, someone hit on Yeezy Supply 1 minute ago.
I was just a delayed webhook. Hey, what size you hit on foot action?
A Shopify site still restocking.
Every single one of my reds messed up. Yo, I hit on Wrath.
Yo, Dior.
Yo, I hit on Wrath. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm not washed.
What the fuck I feel?
Oh my god. None of my DCs.
I got one.
What?
Yo, I hit another one, GS.
Yeah, just another one on GS Champs. Me too, Nick.
Hey Ryan, run me slots.
My webhook is just full of card declines and failures.
My webhook is dry.
Hey Ryan, can you run me slots?
That's Nick, yes, man. I got one pair. I just...
Imagine you look later and you carded like fucking, you checked out like 20 pairs.
Hit on Valor. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What's the 70?
Unknown brain. Marvin Divine.
Random sizes Dior?
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the time.
Dior?
Yeah.
What did I hit for? Oh god, I don't want to quit.
I think it's making a checkout.
No, it's a splash. It's fine. You're good.
Yeah. Oh, yo, I hit one on Yeezy.
Nice, let's go.
Mine just keeps switching.
And so?
Pug? So? What the hell? Yo,
Fantastic. Failed to load Yeezy's flash out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just want to shout out to the two new sponsors I have, Brisk Solutions and Proxy Chimp. Brisk Solutions is actually a Nike sneakers account provider. I've used them for a little bit. I would show some more footage of copying with using TSP in Project Enigma, but most of my files got corrupted whenever I used them. So I'm going to fix that. Hopefully for the next live cop videos, you'll see more cops with them. I've been able to cop like Jordan 5 Anthracite, some Air Maxes, so some pretty good cops. In terms of Proxy Chimp, they've been a proxy provider I've been using before even getting a chance to be sponsored by them. I love their product. I actually wasn't sponsored by them during the Air Jordan drop, Jordan 1 UNCs, but I actually copped the majority of my pairs with Proxy Chimp, so shout out to them. Absolutely love their products, and thank you for letting me be sponsored by you guys. And yeah, just if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. My DMs are always open. I leave my contact info down below, and looking forward to seeing you guys next time.
Somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it. You so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta